In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if your MacBook is not updating. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. First thing I recommend doing would be just to restart your whole device and then see if that is able to resolve the problem if you check for updates once you've restarted. Something else you can try as well, if you open up the Apple icon again and select System Settings. On the left panel, select Wi-Fi and make sure that is toggled to the on position to allow for updates, of course. And if you're still having a problem, it could be a hard drive space issue, in which case you could just select General on the left side. And then on the right side, select Storage. If you want to select the trash bin icon down here, you can see how much information is being stored in there. You could delete or empty the trash, as well as selecting the Applications item in here and deleting unused applications on your device that are taking up space. There's also a chance that your computer just no longer receives updates. I believe MacBooks generally support the operating system for a few years before you have to update or upgrade to the latest version, and not all Macs are upgradable. So pretty straightforward process on this, guys, one for common troubleshooting issues. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.